Hi friends, in the previous video we have discussed about how to insert an image into the HTML. Now we will discuss about how to design your web page like background color, text color and all. We can discuss now. This is the basic structure of the HTML. Here we have given title as design your web page and the heading as welcome to Bhargavi tutorials and the paragraph is written as if you understand the video please like share and subscribe. Now we need to design this web page. See this, save this and open us. Now this is our web page. Design your web page and this is our heading and this is our paragraph. And if you add the background color for this body means this heading and this paragraph are inside the body, right? Now we need to add the background color. The syntax for this is inside this. Here inside the body we need to add style. As this is the syntax for the save this program and open this, refresh this, we will get see the background color of this web page is changed into blue. In the same way, if you want to change the background color of the first heading, the same syntax is used. See here style, or here we are giving as red. Yes, this is the syntax for changing the background color of first heading. Now save this and refresh this. See here, the background color of the first heading is changed into red color. In the same way, if you want to change the color of text, means see here, this is the paragraph text, right? If you understand the video, please like, share and subscribe. This is the paragraph. If you want to change the text color, the syntax is, we need to change here paragraph. P is the syntax for that, right? We need to change here. This is the syntax for changing the text color. Style color, here we are giving color as red. And save this and refresh this, we will get, see here, this text color is changed into red color. This is about changing the color, background color on the text color. Now we will go to the font size and font type. Here I will use the another heading. In the HTML there are up to 6 headings. For each heading the size of the text will be decreased. Now I will use the second heading H2. As here we have given heading 2 as font size. Save this and open this. See here the font size. The font size of heading 1 is different from the font size of heading 2. And we will change the font size as we need. See the syntax is style. This is the syntax for font size. Here style font size we are given as 300%. Now save this and refresh this. See the font size is increased. This is the syntax for changing the font size. Now we will go through the fonts, means font, different types of fonts. We will change the, here we are taken heading 3 as welcome. Now we will change this font using the syntax style. Here the font is changed, welcome font is changed, right? And this is the syntax for changing the font. And the next one is text alignment. I will take the another heading. Yes, now here we are taking the fourth heading as text alignment, right? Now we will change this text alignment. The syntax is style, heading 4 to the center. Center. Yes, this is the syntax for that. Save this and we will open here. See, this heading 4 is placed in the center. This is the syntax for text alignment. Video means the syntax we are used is style and changing the background color. The syntax is this is the syntax for changing the background color. Color is the syntax for changing the text color. Font size. This is the syntax for changing the font size. And text. Changing the font syntax is. The next one is text alignment. This is the syntax for text alignment. In this video, we have discussed about these 4 topics, right? These are about the styles used in the web pages. In the further video, we will go through the next topic in the HTML. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.